In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Insightly CRM API key. By the end, you'll know exactly where your key lives, how to copy it safely, where to find the API URL you'll need for integrations, and how to generate a new key if you ever need to rotate it. Start by opening your browser and signing into your Insightly account. Once you're on the home dashboard, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might show your initials or a small avatar. From that menu, choose User Settings to open your personal settings page. On the User Settings page, locate the section labeled API. You may need to scroll a bit. It's typically grouped with other personal access details. This is where Insightly exposes two important pieces of information used by integrations and automation tools. First, you'll see your API key is, followed by a long, unique string. This is your personal access credential. Treat it like a password. Use the copy control provided or carefully highlight and copy it. For security, do not share this key publicly, paste it into screenshots, or send it over unsecured channels. A good practice is to store it in a password manager or in a secure environment variable if you're configuring an application or script. Remember, anything using this key will authenticate as you with your permissions. Right below that, you'll find your API URL is. This is the base URL your tools will call when talking to Insightly's API. It often reflects your region or data center. Make sure any connector, script, or integration uses this exact URL. Using a different region or a generic endpoint can lead to authentication errors or data not found issues. If you need to replace a compromised key or start fresh, click Generate New API Key. Confirm the prompt and Insightly will issue a new key immediately. Important note, generating a new key revokes the old one on the spot. Any integrations using the old key will stop working until you update them with the new value. Plan ahead, copy the new key securely, and update your connected apps right away. Some tools cache credentials, so a quick restart may be necessary after pasting the new key. If you don't see the API section, make sure you're in the right user account and check with your administrator in case permissions are restricted. That's it. Open Insightly, profile icon, user settings, find the API section, copy your key and API URL, and generate a new key when needed, securely and confidently.